Place a tampon under your armpits and watch what happens next. Sounds strange, right? But the same pad you use during your period can actually be a great solution for more than just that time of the month. Most people don't know this trick, but once you try it, you'll never see a pad the same way again. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you 5 surprising uses that will make you wonder, why didn't I think of this before? The last one is my favorite, and it works like magic. Let's start with tip number 1. Want your closet or laundry area to smell wonderful? Simply open a pad, add a few drops of your favorite fragrance oil, or even a little perfume, and drop it directly onto the pad. It retains the scent better than most room fresheners. Once the scent has permeated, remove the backing and stick it inside your cupboard, on a cabinet door, or even in the laundry room. I like to hide it near the dryer. Every time the heat comes on, the smell is activated. You'll be amazed at how fresh everything is. You can also put one in your bathroom. I prefer to use essential oils here. Just a few drops on the pad, let it absorb, then hide it behind the toilet or under the sink. It works like a secret diffuser, keeping the whole room smelling fresh and clean without any effort. Comment below with the name of your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Now for tip number 2. Imagine the following situation. You've accidentally cut your finger in the kitchen and there's no absorbent cotton or gauze around? No problem. Simply cut off both ends of a tampon and wrap it around your finger. It's super absorbent and works perfectly to stop the bleeding. A lifesaver when you're not prepared. Say yes if you're going to try this at home. It has saved me and my family from accidents in the kitchen or even when we're playing outside in the playground. I don't have any bandages. Only pads are in my wife's handbag. Do you have a similar trick at home? Share it in the comments. On to tip number 3. Do you have shoes that give you blisters? Don't throw them away. Cut a small piece of absorbent and stick it on the inside heel or wherever your foot rubs. It creates a cushion that protects your skin and prevents those painful blisters. I've done this with new heels and it works wonderfully. Tip number 4 is for those times when your socks are all in the wash, or maybe you just want some extra comfort for your feet. Stick an absorbent pad in the insole of your shoes. It absorbs sweat, controls odor, and keeps your feet dry and clean, even if you're not wearing socks. Perfect for hot days or long walks. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. And finally, the tip you have been waiting for. Tip number 5. If you suffer from excessive underarm sweating or hyperhidrosis, this trick will change the game. Stick a tampon inside your shirt, right in the armpit area. It will absorb all the sweat during the day.